Today's plan is very simple. I will just go to the Nha Trang city. I will show you the map. So yesterday, unfortunately, after 10 kilometers somewhere here, it started to rain, and it was raining till here when I came to the valley. And this whole path was about 205 kilometers, so about 150 kilometers it was raining. Today I will take this coastal route to the city of Nha Trang, and there I will wait for the Lukas. So that's the plan for today. So as you can see, the weather is pretty good. I'm back in a good mood. It is about 200 kilometers to Nha Trang. I'm looking forward to it. I hope that the weather will be good for the whole way. So yeah, let's go. Okay, this is it. Beer garden. Let's try it. Allow me. Hi. Nice to hear. Thank you. Hi. Hi. I have a reservation here.
Yeah. You have for one room?
Yes.
Yeah, and one night.
One night, yes. Oh, so this is some Buddhist monastery with some pagoda.
But I guess there is also some Hindu thing related to that.
Oh, with the
Isn't Shiva in here?
no.
I don't know. And another pagoda. This one is called Long Son. This big white Buddha got a back door. Let's see what is inside.
We are in Nha Trang and we are just about to leave. Today it will be just a short ride. I will show you the map. Here is Nha Trang. We spent here 2 nights and today it will be just a short ride. Somewhere over here it is only 40 kilometers and there should be some nice beach with the airport nearby. Now let's go. Okay, so the bike is parked. Almost. And I'm back in a good mood. 3 days. In a good weather. In a nice environment. Nice hotel at the beach. Having a good food. And a bit of beer. It just done its magic. So yeah, the bad mood is gone and the good mood is restored. And today's ride will be very short. It's only 30 kilometers. Oh, this is my bike. But it should be nice and chilly. And we have a plenty of a time because Saigon is like 500 kilometers away and today is a Christmas day, so we have like 7 days. Let's go! So let's go! Hi. Hello. Hello. I would like to know if I'm on a right spot.
Oh, yes.
Yes? Okay. And we have a reservation through the booking. Yes. Celé velké.
Bạn ơi, con lên này, bây giờ mình chờ.